With this video, we would like to introduce the setup and main functions of the Eliciae MV20 ventilator. Let's start with some basics. The MV20 is supplied with an AC power supply cable and tubing for the gas and oxygen supplies. First, we will connect the AC power cable to the connector on the back of the main unit. Be sure to flip down the safety catch to prevent accidental removal of the power cable. Note that the MV20 does not have an internal battery. Now we can flip the power to on. Next, we connect the pressured air supply tube. Note that the tube has a joint here. One tube goes to the connector on the back of the main unit here. The other tube goes to the connector on the back of the blender. Next, we connect the oxygen tube to the back of the blender here. Here, we should note a critical feature of the MV20 ventilator. The main unit's function is to provide the driving force for the ventilation. The MV20 manages the flow of pressured air coming from its venturi valve and flowing from the outlet here. However, the fresh air that the patient breathes is entirely supplied through the blender here. The air from the blender flows through the Jackson-Rees tube and into the proximal connector. We will come back to this point again in a minute, after explaining the patient set's configuration.